So I took a couple flights this morning. This is my neighborhood. I'm just flying around. I did a couple hyperlapse shots, which were pretty awesome. Almost ran out of battery on the last one. That got a little bit scary. Today's only day 3 flying this thing. This is the Mavic 2 Zoom. Still half and half on whether I should have got the Zoom or the Pro. I'm still leaning towards the Zoom, but I keep, when I'm zooming in, I keep kind of getting a little bit disoriented on where I'm actually at. So I keep having to zoom out, but I'm sure as time goes, that'll get better. So I did that, and I'm just basically flying around, trying to decide, what I want to look at. I'm at about 200 so feet right now. That's me standing in the driveway. As I'm flying around, though, I decide, hey, there's a tree in my backyard that is it's pretty tall. You'll see it right underneath the drone. So I started thinking, I want to see how big this oak tree is. This oak tree that's dropping 10 million acorns on my yard. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm lining up to it. You can see my propeller there. I keep getting closer. I'm checking the screen. I'm looking out. I'm like, okay, I don't want to hit my roof. So now what I'm doing is I'm looking at the altitude. So I think when I first looked at it here, I was at about 80 something feet. I keep inching closer, and then I'm looking at the drone, I'm looking at my phone, phone, back and forth, trying to make sure I get my bearing. And here, I'm pretty close to it, but not too close. So I say, I'm going to get a little bit closer. Tree ended up being about 100 feet tall, 101, 99, somewhere right around there. I'll go back and test it. So I keep testing fate. I go up and almost crashed it. What happened was, as I was getting closer to it, I went to climb and I pitched forward instead. Sure, that's a mistake a lot of new pilots do, a lot of operators. So that's how I almost crashed it, and I decided to go ahead and bring it home. So I stopped videoing, circled around, landed it, checked the aircraft out. Had a couple little green smudges on the edge of one propeller, so I'm guessing I just hacked a leaf or two, and that was it. So day 3 unscathed, but I landed it, brought the batteries in. I decided, tested my fate enough, and I was done. But as you can see on this still here, the image is very great on the Mavic 2 Zoom. I'm guessing the Pro is going to be a little bit better, larger sensor, but I've been very happy with it.